Very nice to see all of you here again. Normally, I'm standing here in the capacity of a moderator. This time, thank you, Saad, for taking that off me. On behalf of the organizers, I'd like to welcome all of you, our worthy delegates, our speakers, to this symposium initiated by the Overseas Investors Chamber of Commerce and Industry, powered by Shell Pakistan, and curated by Nutshell Group. I'd like to take a minute to mention that the association of Nutshell Group with the OICCI actually goes back a very long way. We've been working together with the OICCI for over a decade to help highlight the issues of the investors, to create an enabling environment, to promote a healthy investment climate for foreign investors in Pakistan. And through the platform of the Nutshell Group, we have been trying to put forth the business narrative of the OICCI through the various conferences that we've been curating. I'd also like to congratulate our good friend, Mr. Rehan Sheikh, on being elected President OICCI. Congratulations, Rehan, and we're very confident that you will be achieving bigger, loftier goals, inshallah, and we will be standing right there with you. Waqar Sahib, I'd like to mention how thrilled we are to be working with Shell Pakistan. You have an amazing team, mashallah, and we hope that we will be working much more with you in future, and we will tell you later about the little heartaches that we've been having over the past few days, but alhamdulillah, it's a great show. These little dialogues are, of course, very, very important, as all of you know, and most of the audience here has been participating in Nutshell curated dialogues over the past many, many years. These dialogues breed debate. They bring forth workable integrated solutions, which is something that both Rehan and Waqar Sahib have mentioned. And Nutshell is known, alhamdulillah, for curating such dialogues which can bring together multiple stakeholders from different sectors of the economy under one roof. And we're very happy to see all of you here today. We are grateful to all our worthy speakers. Thank you very much for being part of the Pakistan Energy Symposium. Particularly grateful to Senator Dr. Musaddiq Malik, Federal Minister for Petroleum and Water Resources. Dr. Musaddiq has been part of our dialogues for a very long time, and he's a very big supporter of these debates and dialogues, and we look forward to hearing from him and from Professor S.N. Iqbal, Federal Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives, who will be joining us shortly. So I wish all of you the very best. Best of luck, Shell Pakistan, OICCI and Nutshell teams, as you take on this extremely critical topic, this very important area of the economy. I wish you all the best. Thank you.